Hello, how are you all everyone? Today I talked Kenya-airways online check-in system. How to check Kenya-airways. So Kenya-airways web check-in system. So this is my YouTube channel Engineer Shahjan. This channel only always video uploaded. So subscribe my channel and watch this video. At first Google Chrome browser open here. Then typing now Kenya-airways. Then computer interface. This is the Kenya Airways website link, kenya-airways.com. Kenya Airways, the fate of Africa, Kenya Airways logo. So first link, click here. Website opening. Just wait few seconds. Yes, this is Kenya Airways website. So Kenya Airways very professional website. Very professional website. Good design this website. So at first boarding pass check-in option. Yes, this is checking option. At first scroll down page and the check-in option showing. Check-in boarding pass check-in option. Click here check-in. This is the check-in page. Two type of check-in system. Booking reference pair number check-in system or e-ticket number check-in system. Booking reference mean pair number 6-digit capital letter or number typing here. Then last time typing here. Then check-in click here. Then fill up your information. Then seat select. Then finally your boarding pass saying. Or another charging system e-ticket number. E-ticket numbers mean 13 digit number. Thirteen digit number only. Then last time typing and then check in. Then same process, fill up your information, then seat select, then finally your boarding pass showing here. Download your boarding pass and print your boarding pass. Thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.